Party has finished though. It's time for work. Come along with me. Let me change my nails from this shouty red to a more pale color. And I'm cutting the nails because it's work and I need to be comfortable when I'm working, at least if I'll be using the same hands to work. So I like this length and I almost left it like that, but it was too sharp, so I decided to file it. I couldn't file it to be that 4 corner angle again. I decided to make the normal round I could make. After all, it's my first time and Aroro will not make me go and do another one. I just did the nails like for 2 days, so I couldn't remove it now. So these are my nails all filed, and at this time I was already really sweaty on my palms. So it is time to clean off the red color. And as I was cleaning the red color, I was liking this white. It was like almost considering leaving it, but it was not making sense. So I decided to take my nude color. Now this nude shade is a bit too dark for me, or that's what I believe. So I decided to take my mixing plate and mix with this. Now this used to be a very red paint, and when it almost finished, I now poured a white Cortex, so it gave me this color. I don't know whatever color it is, so it's a reddish transparent color, and that's what I usually mix this stick paint with, so that way it gives me the exact shade of nude I want. I'm taking more just to make sure that I have the right color. At this point, I like to use this applicator because it's fuller and it will get the work done faster. I start to paint my nails and I am coating twice. You'll see why I'm coating twice now. You can see it's really light on my nails, and if I had just coated once, I don't think it would have come out really nice. So I decided to coat twice. This is the first coating and it's rather light, really light for me. This is the second time I'm going over my nails with it, and this is just the perfect color for me. First one, I went in with the other side too, but because I'm not really conversant with my left hand, I decided to just leave the filming to the right hand, and this is it. I just go over with my transparent white Cortex just to seal it up and give it that shiny finished look, and bam, these are my nails. Now, which one do you prefer, the red one or this one?